Welcome to another video. We're on the private island of the gunman again. This is the next day and we got a little gift for him. Let's go find him again.
Yeah, not you again. What are you doing here?
Hello, my friend. I have a gift for you.
No, stop it.
I have a little gifty gift.
Yes. Go. Yes. Super. You crazy.
I missed him. Hello.
Привет,
How are you?
Hello, sorry for the shots last time.
It's okay.
I'm sorry I missed you. I was trying to
You have
kill
new
you.
security?
Anyway.
Yeah, last one died. He dead.
He died.
Yes. You shot him dead.
You have better fireworks now?
Wait a second. What the hell is this? He's trying to suicide bomb.
This prototype.
What do they do?
Wait, careful.
What are they that? Are they that dangerous?
You get money if you test them.
Oh, it's a project.
Yes, because if you die, I take it
It's
anyway.
a test trial, a free test trial. We get money. Let's go.
Yeah, because careful.
Okay, I'll be careful, my friend. Don't worry.
Okay, let's try one.
Okay. Look at this. What kind of explosion power do you expect from these?
Big boom, nuke.
A nuke. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's try it out then. Ready? Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? The thing entirely disintegrated. You definitely redeemed yourself. Let's see how steel holds up. We're gonna test it under the steel. Okay?
Careful.
Okay, all right. Let's launch this thing to the moon. You gave us defect product again, man. Ah! What the fuck? That thing just damn near took my head off. Pretty good. That was pretty good. What else do you have though?
Nuke.
Ah.
Be very careful. If it explodes, not my problem.
Okay. Jesus. What the fuck?
Stay away.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Could possibly not have anything stronger than that, correct? Or am I wrong?
Of course I got stronger. For this you get money. Because if you die, I take it anyway.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
All right, if we die,
It's
We got some
prototype.
money.
It's very beautiful. Careful.
okay.
What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck?
I don't know, it looks twice as big. Let's try it out, let's see if we can blow this up.
Hopefully we don't die.
What the fuck? Where the hell did that thing go?
Bro, like a wood piece fly like 5 centimeters above my head, man. Nice.
Nice.
No.
I think you can't sit anymore on that.
It was my beautiful stool,
Ah,
man.
fuck you. Get that shit fuck out of here. That was possibly the strongest thing I've ever tested in my
Don't worry,
life.
my friend, it gets better.
Really?
Show him the bomb boom.
Whoa.
What
Okay.
the fuck?
I'm
But
I'm not
this-
touching that. Okay. What are you saying?
My security will sacrifice himself. He will
Alright.
take care of it.
He shall sacrifice
Don't
himself.
you?
Okay.
Okay, he will take care of it. He's mute.
All right. I
Be
hope
very
this
careful,
is.
be
I hope
very
this goes
careful.
right. I'm scared.
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
What the fuck do you have, man? What's
What the
wrong
fuck?
with you?
I tell you, boom boom, boom boom. My friend,
Yes.
if this light fire, you have to run very far.
Okay.
It
Let's
goes
go.
very big.
Okay. Let's do
very
it. Come on.
dangerous.
Come on. Let's do it. We don't got much time.